Creating the first project in GSA Search Engine Ranker. In this lesson, you will learn how to create projects in the GSA Search Engine Ranker so that they are maximum efficient for your website and creating only friendly backlinks, meaning such that will boost the position of your site in Google. Before starting the process of adding the backlinks, your site has to have some content and the site has to be indexed. After launching GSA Search Engine Ranker, press Option New to create a new project. You will see a window where we have a lot of options, thanks to which we can help our site or harm it as well. On the left, there are all the engines of the GSA, on which the program can place backlinks. Settings of the engines depend on where you want to position. It is different for websites, different for movies on YouTube, and even different if you want to position a fan page. If you want to position a website, then I recommend choosing these engines: Article, Social Bookmark, Social Network, Web 2.0, and Wiki. When you are finished checking the specific engines, it is time to go ahead with the adjustments of the project. In the Data tab, which is active, you can set how the added backlinks will look. Let's go. In the space URL, paste a link URL of your domain or subdomain which you want to position. I will use an example of the site I created especially for this handbook, secondpaymentonline.com. Next, check option Use URL Variations with 20%. Then, in the space keywords, write all the words, phrases, according to which the GSA Search Engine Ranker has to look for sites where we will place the backlinks. Don't be limited only to your main keywords. Phrases written here should be quite general, so that the program can easily find the adequate place for adding the backlink. For example, earning, earning online, earn money, earning online, earning money online, and so on. The more words, the better. If you write 10 to 20 general phrases, it will be okay. Tick an option, try searching with similar looking keywords to boost the process of searching. In the space Anchor Text, write 1, maximize 2 your main keywords on which you want to position. In my case, it will be earning money online. If you want to write more than one phrase, you have to use spin syntax, meaning the format brace bracket, phrase, vertical line, brace bracket. The program GSA Search Engine Ranker has a tool of a spin converter. To use it, go to Tools and then Spin Convert. We can choose comma or lines. I will show you the performance of it concerning the option lines. So I write the phrase one under another, for example, earning online, earning money, earn online. Next, I press Lines to Spin, and at the bottom, in the field Spinned Text, I receive the prepared text, which can be copied and pasted to the required field. The next options are to make an impression on Google that the created backlinks are natural and not artificially created by the program. Click the option Partial Match Anchor Text and set 15%. And in the next to it field, write the same as the in the field anchor text. Choose option Secondary Anchor Text and set 15%, and in the field next to it, write 4 to 6 words, on which you want to position also in the format spin syntax. For example, how to earn money online, earning money, second payment online. Choose the option LSI Anchor Text and set 30%, and in the field on the right, write 500 to 700 keywords connected with yours, so that the links will look natural. But don't worry, you don't have to invent them personally. The program Scrapebox will do it. I described it in another lesson. You also can use the ubersuggest.org site, which is also good for this purpose. In this tab, use spin syntax format too. When you add the recommended amount of LSI anchor text, choose the option Generic Anchor Text and set 25%. Choose also the domain as anchor text and set 15%. Now you would have to complete all the fields under it, but thanks to the program Wicked Article Creator, we will greatly boost the process. If you don't know the Wicked Article Creator, then go to the lesson where I describe this program. If you know how to use Wicked Article Creator and export it to the file the whole content, press in GSA Search Engine Ranker, Tools, Import, and Data Fields. Now choose the file generated by Wicked Article Creator and open it. Deactivate the options URL, keywords, and anchor text and press OK. This way you added the whole content, but you don't have to invent it and write manually. All you have to do is to choose categories. Click Edit, then Suggested, and choose categories which are connected with your site. Go to Article Manager tab. Here we can use the Wicked Article Creator, which will automatically generate the articles for us, which will be published by the GSA Search Engine Ranker with the link to your website. To add a new article, click Add and enter manually. Next, write or paste the title of the article, summary, and body, the main content of the article. I will use the Wicked Article Creator because it makes the work to be easy and fast. So I paste the generated title, summary, and body of the article. I click OK. I generate once again a new article in the Wicked Article Creator. I go to the tab Articles and add another article to our project. You should have a minimum of 10 added this way articles. I recommend 12. Of course, you can write the articles by yourself, but it is really time consuming, and I promised you that during this course, you will learn how to maximally boost and automatize the process. If you have 12 articles, go to the next option. Set Insert up to 0 to 2 random images. Click the option Insert up to 0 to 1 random videos. Next, choose the option Insert HTML Variations and press Configure. Such window will appear. Set here the values of bold and underline for 5% and press OK. When everything is done, go to the Options tab. Choose the option Pause the project after and set 20 plus or minus 5 and change for verifications reached in a day. Then choose option Ask all services or users to fill CAPTCHAs. Here I will stop for a while because this option is quite significant. CAPTCHAs are the graphics with a text to rewrite which prevent registration and adding the articles by programs on some sites. Don't worry, you can deal with it to make the GSA search engine ranker to automatically place the backlinks also on sites which are secured by CAPTCHAs. Various programs and internet sites are used for solving automatically the CAPTCHAs. I personally recommend the GSA CAPTCHA Breaker, a link where you can buy it with a 20% discount you will find on the right in the lecture description tab. It's a program which is highly effective when it comes to solving CAPTCHAs, and additionally, it really cooperates well with the GSA search engine ranker. If you have the program already, set the given option on Ask All Services to fill CAPTCHAs, thanks to which our backlinks will be created fully automatically and you will not have to spend time on it. There is a second option, Manually Solving CAPTCHA. Then set the given option on Ask User Only to fill CAPTCHAs. But believe me, that after 15 minutes of rewriting the coded from the graphics, you will give up and buy this program because it's worth the price. The option, if a form field can't be filled, change into Choose Random. Deactivate the option, Verified links must have exact URL, and choose the option, Randomly use types and spell errors in descriptions, and set it on the level of 10%. For tags used, change into keywords. The next thing is the search engines, where the GSA search engine ranker should search for the space on adding the backlinks. Here we also have some options. If you want to position only in the USA, then choose engines only from the United States. If you want to position all over the world, choose engines from countries where your keywords are usually searched for. The more engines, the faster and easier the program will be finding the place where he would place the backlinks for your site. For example, I will choose all the engines for United States. So the right mouse button, check by country, I choose United States and click OK. It is worth choosing the international engine. There is a second option so that the process of adding the backlinks would be faster. This is buying the list of verified links where the program can add backlinks to your site. It is really better and faster option. If you have a greater amount of active projects, the option of buying the list of links is becoming even a must because the program is not capable of searching so many places to add backlinks by itself. A great list will enable you to achieve to add 40 backlinks a minute. Such a list you can buy on a serveverifiedlists.com or search on free forums like blackhatworld.com or cpaelites.com. The links can be found on the right in the lecture description tab. If you have a list and will be using it, press the right mouse button in the table with the engines and choose Check None. Thanks to it, the program will be adding backlinks only on sites from the list, which will be faster. Go now to the option Filter URLs and choose Skip sites with more than 120 outgoing links on one page. Choose also the option Skip sites with a PR below and set on 3, thanks to which our sites will not be placed on trashy sites which would affect the position of your site. In the other options, you can set that, for example, the program will avoid the sites with the words you indicate. You can also forbid adding the backlinks in specific countries. If such options will be needed, you can find them here. I personally have never used it. Here, there is an option, try to skip creating no-follow links. I don't recommend it because if the program will be creating backlinks only to do follow, it will be suspicious for Google and the position of your site can fall down. The last tab is the email verification. As you know, during the registration, one has to give the email address to verify the account, and this tab is about it. From my side, I recommend buying prepared emails from yahoo.com. Mails from this service cooperate very well with the GSA search engine ranker, and at the same time, they are not expensive. You can find also the offers of such products on the forums previously mentioned. I recommend 10 to 15 new emails to every new project. If you buy a list of emails adjusted to GSA search engine ranker, then the process of adding them to the project is trivial. It only takes copying 10 to 15 emails and clicking Add Import from Clipboard. After adding test, the proper activity of all the emails, clicking Test All. If you are done editing, you can click OK. Your first project is done.